Hey guys, it's MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing the Adidas Originals X-PLR Sesame Seed one. I call it Sesame Seed even though it's not called that. It's just called Sesame basically. And yeah, we'll go ahead and unbox this in a second. Let's have a look at the box. It's the original box that you always get, which is the blue one with the white stripes. So you got 3 stripes here for the branding. Adidas Originals. Oh, we lost focus for some reason. There you go, Adidas brand with 3 stripes, yes, again. And then this side, X-PLR size 10, I'm a size 10, so that's why I got it. These go for about 70 quid. I got it cheap for about 30 something, so it's alright. Sesame, so that's the brand model name, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this. I'll show you the original X-PLRs as well, so you can see the difference. There's not much of a difference, but there is a difference, but yeah. Okay, so as you can see, wow, look at that. So the reason it's called Sesame is this bottom sole here. Very nice. You got this, it's like a bubble effect, but yeah. See where the other shoe is. There it is. It's hiding there, idly. Whoa, shit. I just seen on camera that it's reflecting. On this, it doesn't look like it's there. That's how it looks right now to me. That's how I'm seeing it right now, but under reflection, that's how it looks. Which is pretty cool as well. It's not, even though it's bubbly here, it's well sick. But yeah, I prefer that look because it's really nice. But yeah. Let me take one out now. Size 10. Whoa, this is quite big. Alright guys. Bam. Okay, so this is shoe. What the fuck? It seems quite long actually. Let me go get my other shoes out. No, they're the exact same size. Well, I don't know, it just seems long. It's because I've been wearing Swift runs for a while now, so I can't really tell. Alright, so let me move that back so you can see better. Alright, so this is the shoe itself. It's got the sesame seeds there, and it's like a yellow tint to the bottom of this thing as well, which goes with this colour, which is like a olive colour, but a really light olive colour. Sorry, I'm a bit ill at the moment. So these 3 stripes are black, and I love the new, I don't know if you know, but like a new smell shoe. If you know what it is, then you know what it is. But yeah, I love that smell. So this is coming off with that new shoe smell. I really like it. Alright guys, let's have a look at the back. So this is reflective as well. It's like a glittery, when under reflective is glittery, but normally it's just full on black. I'll show you that. There you go. So it looks like that pretty much. Very nice. And you got this handle here, which is always on all the new Adidas shoes. Okay, 3 stripes here as well. And then this one's actually a bit different than the others. I'll show you. This one at the bottom is same as the X-PLRs. Literally has no grip. This shoe is bad because it has no grip. That's about it. That's the only bad point about this shoe. But yeah, it's alright every other time. As long as it's not in the snowy season, you're alright. So yeah, the only difference about this shoe is it's a lace. My other ones are not lace at all. I'll show you them right now. So these are the 2 pairs I have. These are pull-up ones. The pull-up ones are miles better. You just simply tighten it like that. You don't have to tie anything and stuff like that. You pull this one up as well. So simple as that. But this one's a lace one. It does look really nice with laces, but yeah, I'm gonna have to learn how to tie shoelaces, guys. I know it's embarrassing. I don't know. But yeah, basically I never learned it as a kid, and nobody ever taught me, and I always wore, what do you call it, Velcro shoes, so I didn't bother learning it. So I'm going to learn it soon, I guess, because I need to learn how to tie my shoelace. It's a basic thing, so I'm going to go ahead and do that sometime. So that's a little unknown fact about me. So yeah, let's get back to the review. Let me take the other pair out as well, so you can see that as well. Look at that, very nice. It's actually quite sexy. I don't know what I wear it with though. You could actually wear this with anything, to be honest, because it is a neutral color. It goes with quite a lot of stuff. So yeah, let's have a look at these tags. It's got the, oh, it's got a nice inside as well, which goes with this. It's very nice. Okay, and then you got the performance insoles. That's in all of the Adidas shoes anyway. They protect from sweat and stuff, and bad odors don't even happen. And what I like about these shoes, it's like a mesh in it. and the wind actually goes through it, which is bad on a cold day, but in the summer it's really nice. So yeah, well, these, I actually think these are summer shoes because they have no grip. You can't wear these in the winter. The Swift Runs aren't that bad, they're better, but they're still not good enough for the winter, the Swift Runs. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put these on now so you can see. Let me take these out first. Wow. And I promise you I will learn how to tie my shoelace by the end of this 2018. Oh, got some barcode here. So by 2018 I will learn how to tie my shoelace, okay? End of it. That's my New Year's resolution, guys. I know it's a shaming, but who cares? Okay, fucking hell, this one's stuck in there. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck they done to this one. Ah, it's stuck to the side of that, can you see? So yeah, who packages like this, man? There you go. I'm gonna put this on my shoe, my leg now, so you can show you it. So I can show you it. 1 second, guys. Alright, guys, they're the shoes. Let me put them on right now. They actually look a lot whiter on the camera than they actually are. They're more brown. They're more green. I mean, they're not that bright. They're not white. Pretty much. Oh shit. Oh, I definitely am getting bigger feet in size. It's definitely getting to a 10.5 now. So I'm gonna have to start ordering 10.5s from now on, because these are getting quite tight. Can you hear? I've got no grip at all. I'm already sliding just on this surface right here. So let me put this on as well. Ah, shit. There you go. Sorry about that. I just came back from work. It's 4 AM at the morning. Well, I came back at 1, but I was busy. So yeah. Right, so these are the shoes itself. Again, sorry about the attire. They actually look alright, don't they? Look at it. The shoelaces actually do look really nice. I'm gonna have to learn how to tie shoelaces though, that's the whole issue. So yeah, got this bit here. Then turn the flash off, well, cover it. So that's what it looks like on a normal day. That's what it looks like at night time, which is pretty cool. Full on flashed out. Pretty nice, reflective. It's comfy as fuck, I'm not gonna lie. X-PLRs are all known for being comfy, which is what I like. So this is sesame seed one. If you haven't watched my original X-PLR unboxing, it's got 30 something thousand views. My second most popular video on my channel. Go watch that, and I'll show you the comparison of the other shoes. I'll bring them out right now. Okay, so these are the other two X-PLRs I have at the moment, which I haven't unboxed. Well, I have unboxed, as in I've got more X-PLRs to show you, but you will have to see them in another video. So yeah, so this is the green pair I have, khaki green. I've unboxed these before as well on my channel, check that out. These are the black original ones that I was on about. There's literally no difference apart from the shoelace stuff and the design at the bottom, which is pretty nice. I really like that design, it's very sexy, the space thing. So yeah, look at that, guys, look at that. Dang. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. Please check out my other videos and check out my other shoe boxings and stuff like that. I'll see you guys next time.